Hey y'all, welcome back to Queenie's Kitchen. Sorry I've been gone for a while, y'all, but working a full-time job and just living life, just living life. I don't cook as much as I used to, which I need to get back into. So I say, hey, I'm gonna put out a video today. I'm gonna do my oven baked chicken with nothing on it, just my seasonings and everything else. No gravies, no nothing. So let me go ahead and get started without washing my hands. How is y'all summer going so far? My summer is going just fine. I was gone for about a month. I left in the last week of May, and I came back in July. I was out on the road traveling, working for my job, training people. So now I'm back home and I'm trying to get into the groove of things as far as my business and everything else. Let me take that ring off because I'm about to put some gloves on, y'all. So I'm gonna put these gloves on because I don't want to touch this chicken, especially with all these seasonings up there. So I'm gonna put these gloves on for y'all. But my hands is washed. I hope everyone is having a great summer. I am having one also. So we're gonna start off with our lemon pepper. I'm just gonna sprinkle some on up in this bowl. Not a lot. And we also have some Nature's seasoning. Because you want your chicken to taste good. You don't want it to be bland now. And we also got some garlic powder. And I keep seeing comments. Well, I seen a comment not too long ago. Somebody commented on my video and said something about frozen meatballs. If you don't like the fact that I use frozen meatballs in my video, then go on to the next video. But one thing I must let you guys know, the ones that's leaving negativity, is that I can cook homemade meatballs. But to save time, I use frozen meatballs. Because I don't have time to be sitting up there whipping up all of those meatballs like that. So we're just going to get this seasoning up there. You might have to go one more round because there's not a lot up there. So I can show y'all. Let me get my little glove off here so I can pick this bowl up. So that's what they're looking like so far. So I'm going to go with another little teeny round. Not a lot. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. That's it. Shakes. 1, 2, 3 around. A little garlic powder. Two, 3. A little seasoning salt. All right, that's it for that. A little, oh, I forgot to add this one. The Goya Adobo. And that. And then we're gonna add us some smoked paprika on top of it. And I did cook this meal I think it was last Sunday. It was last Sunday, last Monday, one of them days. I cooked it and it was good. And I said, I'm about to cook it again. And I'm gonna show my people how I do it. All right, because I need to use this smoked paprika again. So that napkin is done. Let me grab another one so I don't have to touch the bottom. All right, there we go. And as I was eating it, I was like, it's a little spicy. I wonder if it's smoked paprika. Spicy, because I normally use regular paprika. I ain't never used smoked paprika, but the smoked paprika gives your food a different taste. When I tell you, try it out. Ain't nothing like some good old smoked paprika. Alrighty. So let me go ahead and get this pan over here. Oh, that's my oven going off. That means that it is ready to go. So I got my little pan, y'all. And we're gonna put a little bit of what am I gonna put at the bottom? A little bit of olive oil on the bottom of the pan. If I can find some olive oil, I thought I had some, y'all. What the heck? Okay. I don't have no olive oil. So, we're going to do something different. We're going to use some canola oil on the bottom of the pan. What you don't have is what you get that you have. No. We're going to drizzle it on top of the chicken. So, we're going to go ahead and put our chicken in here. I got these little wingettes, y'all, because I don't be feeling like cutting up no chicken. But I will if I had to. I'm going to put that in there. Let's see. I'm going to take these off because they are actually in my way. Let me put this in the trash. So I'm actually going to just do it like this. Get me a little bowl, put a little bit in. I need to buy one of those oil things that you could just drizzle on top of it. I'm going to invest in one of those. So you're just going to do it like that. Take a little thing, do it like that. Do it like that. The only thing I'm gonna cook on the side is just like some broccoli and cheese. That's it. Can't do too much today as far as cooking because I want to get in there beating and getting my stuff together for work tomorrow. Alrighty. Set that over there, y'all. So here it is. And we're about to put it in the oven. So I usually do, I don't put a lot in my pan because chicken makes its own water. I'll just put a little on the bottom of my pan. I want to make some homemade shrimp Alfredo. So I think that's going to be another video at another time. So I got everything in this pan, y'all, right here. And I'm going to get ready to put it in the oven, you guys. And I'll be back to show you guys the end results of it. All right. See you guys in the next clip. Oh, yeah, y'all. I put aluminum foil on top of it, too. Like this. So everybody know how to do that. And I also poke little breeze holes in my aluminum foil. Don't ask me why I call them breeze holes. Just know that's what I call them. Alright. So I got my little holes in there, y'all. So I'm about to put it in the oven. And I'll be back. See you guys in the next clip. Hey y'all, so I'm back. Chicken is done. Let me get my little bowl here, y'all, to put my little chicken in. Let's see. Get a little bowl. And I need a bowl for my broccoli, y'all. I use this one for my broccoli. All right, let me get this chicken out the oven, y'all. It's hot. It is hot. Oven off. Turn that off. Here is the chicken, all done. Some nice baked chicken. Something easy, nothing hard. I just put it in my little thing here. Probably could have used the smaller one. Something just simple and easy. Something fast to make. For my broccoli, I ain't even show y'all how to do broccoli because it's just, maybe I'll do it on another video. Broccoli is easy. I use the frozen broccoli. I use shredded cheese in my broccoli. You know, everybody has their different ways of how they cook it. And I always pour my juice on top of my chicken because that's where all your flavor is at. Is in that at the bottom. So always do that, no matter how much people say don't do it. But I always do it, and I always scrape my bottom because that's where all your seasonings is at. Is in that. And then I just take it and drizzle it on top of it, on top of my chicken. And do this. Wash them dishes right there. So y'all, here is the finishing touches of my baked chicken. Oven baked chicken. Put it on a little plate. Put a little piece on a little plate. Well, no, I ain't gotta put a little piece on a little plate. Let's see. Maybe I guess get a little one. Oh, it's hot. See what I mean, y'all? That's that chicken. Whoop. It is so good. So, that is my chicken. Now I'll show y'all my broccoli. And I'm gonna plate my broccoli. Well, not plate it, but bowl it up. Broccoli with cheese. Oh, y'all can see it. Because I like to go ahead and put all my stuff up and get all my dishes washed before I even sit down and eat. Because after I eat, baby, I don't want to come wash no dishes. Only thing I want to do is get my bath and relax and get ready for work. That's all I want to do. Look at that, y'all. That's all I want to do. All right, y'all. Well, thanks, y'all, for coming back and watching Queenie's Kitchen and tuning in. Hopefully, I'm going to think of some more meals to cook so I can come back on this channel and be active on it. But, got my broccoli and cheese, which I ain't do now on it. And I got, which is my chicken. All right, y'all. Well, thank you for being a good part of Queenie's Kitchen, and thank y'all for supporting Queenie's Kitchen as always. And like I said, make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that little post notification bell up there, and comment. Anything counts. Tell a friend to come on over and subscribe to Queenie's Kitchen and enjoy the videos. All right, see you guys in the next video. Bye.